Here we have the Kallax unit from Ikea, and what we've gone for is the 5x5 box system, so the 182 by 182 I believe it is. And what we really liked about this unit is that it's a great way to keep everything organised in your place. So if you've got a lot of variety of items and you want to keep them in an organised fashion, something like this is perfect because it's broken down into all these different areas, and each area can be broken down further. So for instance, this area here, we've got the unit that just slots in. It's very simple to fit in there, and it screws in on the side, so it's fixed, so it's not going to fall out, but you can unscrew it and take it out if you want to put it in another place. Now this one has a shelf that's optional in the middle, so you can divide it that way, plus this lovely glass cover to protect things inside. Now you might have other sections that don't need protection, or you want them more visible, so these books down here are nice and visible, so you can go grab them, pull them out when you need to. Or you can have these slide out metal cages, and these fit in very, very perfectly, and then it kind of hides things away that you don't necessarily want to see on a day-to-day basis. Now these here, this section is a double drawer section, so these just slide out. You can put in all your knickknacks, bits and bobs, keep them organised that way. So two drawers make up one section. And another really good thing about it is that it's got a nice platform on top, so you can place things on top if you feel confident to do so. So what I mean by that is you can fix this to the wall, so you can put heavier things on top without concern for it to topple over on you. If you've got like an uneven floor or something like that and it's not secure, then secure it to the wall. But this really does turn a disorganised, messy home into something a lot more organised, and it can grow over time. So when we first got it, obviously we had nothing with it, and we've built up these sections as we've realised we've needed them. And we also have some smaller units down over here or just off screen, which are part of the same system, which we keep organised slightly differently. So let's go and look at those now. So here we have a section of 2x2 Kallax units, and as you can see we've got a different system in here. So this is 3 drawers that are fabric, so in there we can have papers in one, cloths and things in the other. This one's organised slightly different again, and then in these, cupboard flap system. So you keep things organised this way. And in this final one, actually what we've done, so that it can properly fit this PlayStation 5 console here, we've taken out the middle section, but it's reinforced and strong enough that the TV is still on top and it's absolutely fine. They're very strong systems and very versatile, as you can see.